Hey, what's up, you guys? Thank you so much for coming back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Keela Trishan and I make videos on lifestyle, insurance, and mental health. I also do vlogs, day in the life in the insurance industry, day in the life of the toddler, all the things. So if that's something that interests you, go on ahead and click the subscribe button below. Be sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything from me. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and thank you for your support. So I don't know if you can hear the commotion in the background. It's pretty loud, but my husband is doing a Peloton bike ride. I'm going to be doing a Peloton bike ride shortly, but I wanted to kind of film like a nighttime routine during the week for you guys. I do a decent amount of stuff after work. So typically like I'm setting up for the next day, like with my claims, and then I go do the dishes, get my little workout in, do some little self-care, you know, all the nine. So I'm gonna film that today for you. And yeah, if you're interested in just kind of seeing like what after work looks like, definitely go ahead and stay tuned.
You in the past, I'm in the future. You mad that they don't salute you.
All right, so as y'all can see, tonight I had a lot happening, and this is a typical weeknight, but sometimes I don't have the energy to do all this, even with the Celsius. So I hope you enjoyed this random weeknight routine. If you did, definitely go on ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you're not already subscribed and you made it this far, definitely go on ahead and click the subscribe button below. Be sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything from me. And with that being said, you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.
In the past, I'm in the future. You mad that they don't salute you. I need a bag, size is super. They turned your back.